So in this video, you'll learn how to enable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So begin by launching the phone app on your device. And then from here, tap on keypad. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. In your call settings menu, you want to tap on supplementary services and then wait for them to load. Once loaded, if you have two SIM cards inserted into your phone, you should see the section for SIM 1 and the section for SIM 2. So choose the SIM card you want to enable call forwarding for. So let me select SIM 1. So tap on call forwarding and then choose between voice calls or video calls and then wait for them to load. Once loaded, you should see 4 different instances you can choose to enable for call forwarding. You have always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So choose the instance you want to enable call forwarding for. So let me select forward when busy. So all I'll need to do is simply tap on it like that, enter in the phone number that I'm going to be using for call forwarding, and then tap on enable. Wait for it to load the changes. And so now, whenever for busy, my calls will be forwarded to that specific number. You can also choose to enable it for the other instances if you prefer. Bear in mind that if you choose to enable for always forward, it means any call that you get on your phone will be forwarded to that specific number. So if you're comfortable with that, you can always choose to just enable it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.